Hello everyone, I'm Andrew from Wheel Machinery. Today we have come to Caterpillar, China, where is officer Caterpillar remanufacturing and new equipment sales. With the original factory standard through a series of hardware upgrades such as those for engines, hydraulic pumps, and fuel system, as well as software upgrade. Now let me introduce it to you all.
Here is the whole vehicle. The first step for the whole vehicle, undercarriage of the vehicle. There is a lot of mud in this area. We need to clean it up, if it is normal. If the dirt inside is relatively hard. You can see, master, use a special electric hammer. We need to loosen the soil by hitting it. This is the first step, almost completely cleaned. We will drive the vehicle to the right side over here. Vehicle cleaning area over here. There is a sign for the whole vehicle cleaning area up there. Let's go and have a look at the cleaning process. Here is the whole vehicle cleaning area. We will thoroughly clean the whole vehicle, both inside and outside. To clean areas with serious oil stains and sludge on the vehicle body, we will use the hot water gun to achieve a cleaner and more effective cleaning. Hot water. Let's finish cleaning first. We will start to thoroughly clean the whole vehicle. Generally, we will use cold water first, and also use our special high-flow water cannon to rinse the whole vehicle. From top to bottom. Rinse until it is almost clean. And sludge left on the vehicle body. Normally, cold water cannot remove this kind of dirt. But we have this hot water gun here. This is a normal situation where cold water cleaning cannot completely remove the dirt. The master is doing this right now. This way, the cleaning will be more thorough. Fundamentally speaking, this reduces the labor consumption of repeated cleaning. Can usually achieve the desired result in one step. Is it hot water cleaning? It has a very good effect on stubborn grease, sludge. After being cleaned this way, what's the next step? What's next? After cleaning, the first step is usually maintenance. Right? This is a machine that it is for the replacement business we mentioned. Let's take a look over there. There is one that is almost the same, have been replaced. It has already been done. Is almost done with the maintenance. The first step. You can take a look at the whole workshop. This machine was brought into the workshop. You can have a look around. Sit down for a while. This machine was brought in as per the customer's request. It is for the replacement business we mentioned. For machines that have been used for a long time. As per the customer's request, we will replace the power and hydraulic system components. The power and hydraulic system mainly refers to we will replace the worn parts and other parts that need to be replaced. After disassembly and inspection, if there are parts that need to be replaced, then we replace them. restore the performance of this entire module. Then for the machines, sheet metal or paint, we handle them based on their condition. This is the part about renewal. For refurbishment, the power system is not replaced. Disassemble them. Replace worn components inside, as well as any parts that really need to be replaced. Then, to a dedicated testing facility for testing the performance of the engine and hydraulic pump. 95% or more of the performance of a new unit. Take a look again. This one is already. This is part of the renewal operation. The hydraulic pump, engine, and the radiator assembly have already been installed here. The air pump hasn't been installed yet, and the basic wiring harness are already in place. Take a look. Take a look. Is this engine new? Engine. The engine is new. Yeah. Originally, with the newer generation one, it was replaced with the next generation. It should be called a China Stage 3 engine. And we upgraded it to this Stage 3 2022 version. Oh. These are the components that can be installed. Look, even the battery has been replaced. The original vehicle's battery and electrical parts. So the performance is fully restored. These pipelines here are. These pipelines here are inspected. We will continue to use them. Too old or deteriorated. They will all be replaced with new ones. Over here. After disassembling the engine, we perform inspections. If we find anything that doesn't meet the requirements, we replace it with a new part. Process old and new accordingly. We carry out engine cleaning here. Over there, in the cleaning area, also includes what's called grinding. This is the sandblasting and grinding area, called ultrasonic ultrasonic. Ultrasonic cleaning. Yeah. This is typically used for heavy oil stains in the engine block. Is cleaned thoroughly. The technician is working on this engine block, inspecting this area. Take a look here. This area here is where we engines that have been repaired. Remanufactured ones. Finished goods. Over here is this assembly area for components that have been disassembled or replaced. Checked after disassembly, the usable components and the replaced ones are assembled in this whole area after replacement. As for this side, here, this is our motor. This is. Look, this should be the hydraulic pump. This is a fully assembled, repaired, and inspected. This area here is our so-called inspection and repair area for you. Over here. Is there more? This is the hydraulic pump testing room for the repaired hydraulic pumps. For performance testing, have a look to check if its performance can reach at least 95% or more of a brand new machine. And that basically meets the usage requirement. Is our Caterpillar dedicated hydraulic pump? Mimi, take a look. Mimi, take a look. This one here is the hydraulic pump. Oh, it's being tested. Yes, it's been tested. Or meets the required standard. Once it meets the requirement, it is qualified. So this hydraulic pump is being manufactured. Yes, yes, it's for repair. After manufacturing, some parts were replaced. It's tested after reassembly is completed. Yes. Using the test bench to adjust its parameters. Basically conform to the new vehicle standards. That's what it means. Also a type of hydraulic component. If the hydraulic cylinder ages or leaks oil, or something else happens. Disassembly platform. Then parts are replaced as needed and repaired to restore the performance of the hydraulic cylinder. Hydraulic cylinder rod. Yes, once it's removed, maybe it's damaged. Here, this kind of damage is sent out for electroplating treatment to restore it, to restore its performance. This side also has rods, which are installed ones. Should be repaired. The rods are waiting to be installed. Installed on the excavator. Let's take a look at that one. This area is what we call the dedicated. So professional. Look here. This is where engine testing is done. This whole area is the engine testing room. This is the engine test bench. Onto this test bench. Load and similar performance tests. At least 95% of the performance of a new engine. Then it means this. Take a look. Ah, this one. Professionally. Let me take a picture. Pipelines. There is a standpipe in the middle. Engine. Is this place for engine repair? It's for dedicated testing. Probably in that room. Well, regarding the vehicle body. Or we can perform welding. This side is for CPC. Don't take pictures of this. That side? This side is for repairing old buckets. Repair them for maintenance. Well, if this has repair value, normally, we will cut the worn parts again. See the degree of wear is suitable for repair. After processing, replace it with a new part. We can reduce the overall cost. The maintenance cost are definitely different. We will discuss which parts need to be repaired. Well, this is called the paint workshop. The masters here are doing the appearance of the whole machine. Take a look. Fine grinding is generally strict. It is carried out according to the maintenance standards. The final product is almost the same as a new car. This is the car for export. The underframe of this car, after multiple painting processes, it has been restored. We are quite professional here. The protective equipment of the masters here have all reached a relatively high level. This is the National 4 standard. It has been 2 years or so. Buying used machinery from China. Including environmental protection, emissions, and so on. The standard is relatively high. It is national IV standard. Yes, these are the ones in recent years. New vehicles within 1 or 2 years.
Buying used machinery from China is an economic solution for business. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention and support.